In every home, a battle is being fought, a war between good design and bad decisions. On one side, we have the heroes of scale and proportion, ensuring our spaces feel balanced, functional, and effortlessly stylish. But beware, lurking in the shadows are those sneaky mistakes that make rooms feel awkward, cramped, or just plain wrong. Let's look at 5 proportion and scale mistakes that ruin your home. If you're new here, I'm Ash, a design enthusiast who is sharing all the techniques I'm using to build my dream home from the literal ground up. Oversized furniture. Who hasn't known an oversized couch? It lures you in with its plush cushions and grand appearance. But once it's in your home, it takes over, making the room feel cramped and overwhelming. It's a beast that swallows up small spaces, leaving no breathing room. The fix? Choose furniture that leaves at least 30 inches of walking space around key pieces. And in smaller rooms, opt for sleek, leggy furniture to keep the space feeling open. But big furniture isn't your only problem. Tiny, lost furniture. On the opposite end, we have tiny, lost furniture, making big rooms feel empty and awkward. You think you've got enough furniture, but then your space still feels unfinished and disconnected. The secret? Furniture should complement the scale of the room. A large living area? Go for a sectional or a grouping of furniture instead of a single tiny couch. And when in doubt, remember, your coffee table should always be at least 2/3 the width of your sofa. Now that you've got your proportions right, you have to master scale or all of your hard work is futile. The cramped corridor. The cramped corridor loves making your daily life a struggle, forcing you to squeeze between furniture, bump into sharp corners, and zigzag through your own home. How to fight back? Make sure high traffic areas have at least 36 inches of clearance. Before buying furniture, measure your walkways to keep movement effortless. With all your furniture in the right place, don't invite this next classic scale villain into your home. The floating rug. Ever seen a rug that just floats? It's in the middle of a room looking completely disconnected. That floating rug is ruining your design harmony. But what rule will fix the issue? A rug should always anchor the furniture around it. So in a living room, it should be large enough for at least the front legs of all seating to rest on it. In a dining area, it should extend at least 24 inches beyond the table to avoid that dreaded chair over the edge situation. So now that we've finally got all of our furniture sorted, don't make this wall treatment mistake because it is criminal. The short curtain. The temptation to hang curtains right at window height is real, but resist. Hanging curtains too low makes ceilings look shorter than they actually are. Fight back with one simple rule. Always hang curtains as close to the ceiling as possible. And bonus points if you let them extend past the window frame for a grander effect. Which of these design mistakes have you experienced? Now you have all the tools to master scale and proportion to elevate your space from average to amazing. But did I miss any? Which are you going to put in your home? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, love your space, fill it with joy, and make it yours. I'll see you in the next one.